Hello, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone. And here we are with the mock analysis for this weekend. First of all, before I start, how was the mock? How was the mock for everyone? This one, I haven't seen it. Chalo, let me just submit it quickly. I've got 0. Chalo, sir. We'll discuss the quant section. And the first question looks very simple, sir. The first question looks very simple. Acha, one thing, the sound might be a little off because again, the party vagera going on outside and some election vagera happened, the results and stuff. Now, sir, first things first. Find the value of k for which the system of linear equation has a unique solution. Unique solution means every ratio will be different from another. So a1 by a2, so 5 by 1, 2 by minus 3 and minus 7 by plus k, they must not be equal, sir. Again, in unique solution cases, as they are not equal always, it can be actually all the values of k. You see, it cannot be anything. So everything is not equal. So it can be actually all the values. So 100% that has to be the answer. We don't need to check much. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. 26 kg, 10 rupees per kg. 30 kg, acha, 30 kg of 36 rupees per kg and sells the mixture at this. Sir, again, CPSP will figure out. Sir, what is the CP, sir? CP will be, sir, the weighted average. Weighted average ke liye, sir, first of all, we can like kind of reduce the weights. We can cancel it out. So 13, this is 15. So 13 into 10, 130 plus 15 into 36, 540 by 15 plus 13, which is 28. This is CP. SP is given to you as 30 rupees a kg. Sir, can you figure out profit percentage? That is exactly what they are asking. Calculate, sir, first of all. Sir, 670 by 228 is to, sir, 30. Sir, I don't think 7 se bhi nahi jata. 4 se bhi. So again, I don't think we can do anything. So this is 67 is to, sir, 1384, I guess. This is CPS to SP. So profit is how much, sir? 14 and 3 is a 17 rupee profit out of 67 rupees into 100%. Sir, again, this is very close to 25% as I can see. Why? Because I can see 17 fours are 68. And the denominator is 67, which is very close to this 68. So 20 and 25% is there in the option. So that has to be my answer. That has to be my answer 100%. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? Moving on to next. What they are saying? Some geometry question. Some geometry questions, sir. ABC and ABD, two triangles. AB is common. AB is the base which is common, sir. AB. This is AB. So AB is perpendicular to DC as well. AB is perpendicular to DC. Acha, this is how the triangle looks. Okay. This is D, this is C. So ABD and ABC, these two triangles are like this. They are common base AB. AB is the common base. DC equal to 2BD. DC is equal to 2 of BD. Acha, meaning, sir, this is equal to this. That's why the total is double of this, any part. AB is perpendicular 90 degree. Following is correct. Sir, these two triangles are congruent actually. Just by looking at this, I can say. Why? Why I'm saying? Because you see, this is equal to this. This is the common side and this angle is equal to this angle. So by using SAS property, side angle side, I can say these two ABC, ABD, ABC, ABD. Sir, option A is the correct answer. Option A must be your correct answer, sir. without fail. Clear everyone? Clear, sir? Again, a very simple question, sir. Next one, please. Let's see, sir, the next question. Sum of two numbers given, HCF is given. Sir, HCF if you have given, sir, again, just check the options for HCF. That's the best one. Like how to do it, I'll show you that as well. Sir, here HCF is 27, absolutely. Here 62 is not multiple of like 27, cannot be. 24 itself is less than 27. Again, 88 also same thing. Sir, this can only be my answer. So 10 seconds. But again, if you want to do it, for example, let's say there are two options which are matching. So if there is, this is the HCF, na, always take the numbers as multiple of their HCF. So my numbers will be 27x plus 27y. And remember, xy must be co-prime, sir. That is how you do it, sir. So that sum has to be 216. And from there, you figure out the possible values of xy. From there only you figure out the possible values of x and y. Clear everyone? Clear, sir? But again, in this case, you don't need to do any of these things. Just the options are enough to conclude. Next one, please. Next one, please, sir. When a shopkeeper sells an article for 800, he numerically earns double the profit. What would he would have lost selling it for this, sir? Sir, this is 500 rupees. This is 800 rupees. Here he is making profit, here he is making loss. Loss and profit. So CP must be somewhere in between, sir. CP must be somewhere over here in between. Now please understand, they have given you this ratio. What ratio, sir? 800, the profit is this. This gap is profit, sir. Can I say this? 800 minus CP. And this gap, CP minus 500, this will be loss. They are saying this gap is twice of this, meaning the ratio is 1:2. Sir, gap is 500 and 800. Gap is 300. 300 if you break it down, so this will be 100 and 200. They are asking selling the article at 30%. So first you find CP, sir. CP will be either you say 500 plus 100 or you can say 800 minus 200. That also will give you the same thing. So SP will be what, sir? 30% profit. So 130%. So 13 by 10 of 600, sir. So 780 rupees. 780 rupees. Option number D, sir. Option number D, 780 rupees must be your correct answer. And this is a good way of thinking about or approaching these kind of questions. Next one, sir. Next one, please. Chalo. 4AB plus 3AB. 4AB plus 1 plus 3AB. Let me just do it like this. 4AB plus, again, let me just explain this. A good question, this one. Sir, look at what they are asking. They are asking 3AB here. But we have 4. How can I convert this 4 to 3? By multiplying by which number? Sir, you can say, sir, first you get rid of this 4 by dividing. Then you introduce this 3 by multiplying. Always just think about only one part. If you are correct, the other part will automatically get balanced. If you are multiplying by this and the second part is automatically not getting balanced, that means you have done something wrong. You see if we are correct or not. So if I multiply then the whole equation by 3 by 4. So this is 3 by 4 cancels. This will be 3AB plus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3AB. 16 into. Sir, this gone. Sir, can you see? Automatically we just got 1 by 4AB. Automatically we just got This equal to 12, option number B. Yes, yes, Shubha, absolutely correct, brother. So again, always just look for one of the terms. The second term will always get balanced automatically. You don't need to think about those. Done, sir. Next one, please. Sir, thirds. Again, I can just by looking at this, I can say this is a question of what? Sir, you need to find the square roots. 16, 6 root 7. So first things first, you get rid of this 2. You get rid of the 2 because there is a 2ab in 2, right? So this is 3 root 7, sir. So 3 square 9 plus 7, sir, ये तो हो गया. 9 plus 7 is 16. So this I can write, this is 3 plus root 7 whole square. And if you just, sorry, 3 minus root 7 whole square because the intermediate sign is minus. 3 minus root 7 whole square. So if you get rid of this, it is 3 minus root 7. What about this, sir? Chalo, let's do the same thing. 4 plus root 14, meaning, sir, this is, you get rid of a 2. This is 2 and root 14. I need to bring 15. Let's see. 7, 2. 2 into 7. And, sir, this is 2 outside. Sir, 2 root 2, 8. 8 plus 7, sir. You need to do this quickly. What I've done, sir, I have taken this as 2 root 2. This 2 along with this root 2 and root 7 together. 2 root 2 meaning 8. 8 plus 7 gives you 8. 8 plus 7 gives you 15. So meaning this particular thing I can write as root over of root 8 plus root 2 root 7 plus 2 root 7 root 7 whole square. So I can say this is nothing but root 8 plus root 7 because whole square and square root will cancel. So if you add them, this will cancel. So I'm getting 3 plus root 8. This has been given to you as root A plus root B. Root A plus root B. Do one thing, sir. This 3, you write as root 9. So A is 9, B is 8, sir. What they're asking? Value of AB. 8 9s are 72. Sir, 72 I can see that is there in option number A, sir. That is there in option number A, sir. Again, I've done it a little quickly, but again, you must practice enough so that these things, you might say, sir, 8 and 7, how did you think? Or 9 plus 7, how did you think? These are all instinctive intuitions. The methods are there for it. I know, everybody knows that this is 2ab and a square plus b square. But how fast it will come to you in the exam hall, it depends on how much you have practiced. How better is your instincts. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, sir? Simple as that. Moving on, sir. Next one, please. A boat can travel downstream with a speed of this. This is D, sir. Speed of the boat in still water, X is given. Sir, I can from these two information, I can figure out Y, the speed of the stream. That will be 52 minus this, which is 7. So upstream speed will be X minus Y, 45 minus 7. 45 minus 7 will be 38, sir. How much distance it will cover in 2 hours? Sir, 76 kilometers, option number A, sir. Again, do not need more than 20 seconds. You do not need more than 20 seconds. Again, a question from a very simple chapter, that is height and distance. Angle of elevation from the top of a tree to the top of a tower. Tree, tower is 30 degrees, sir. Okay. Angle of elevation to the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower. Okay, sorry. This is also 30 degrees, sir. Right? Height of the tower is 132 meters. They are saying height of the tree, meaning I need this. I need to find this, sir. Chalo, theek hai. So 30 degree meaning this is one part, this is root 3 parts. If this is root 3, this is also root 3, sir. Correct? And over here, from this 30 degree, if this is one part, this is also root 3 parts. Clear? If this is one part, this is also root 3 parts. It is 66 aa raha hai, sir. Half aa raha hai. Because you see, this is 1, this is root 3. This is 1, this is root 3. Both are equal. Yes, sir. So again, just do this bit. If this is 1, then this is also 1, this part, meaning this much. And this much is 1 as well. So total 2 parts is equal to this. And I only need this, that is 1 part. So 1 part will be 132 by 2. 66 meters. Option D, sir. Option D, sir. Okay. I first thought I made an error because the question was too easy. Then I've seen no. The question itself is simple. Distance travels as a proportionate. D varies time. So again, if you want to get rid of this, it will be something. Again, to get the value of this constant k, they have given you something. Put the value and figure out. 51 is equal to k into 3. So k is 17, sir. So your equation looks D equal to 17t. Whichever option has this, that's your answer. D equal to 17t, option number C, sir. Again, moving on, sir. Next. There are two circles with center O and O prime having the radius 10 and 13. Length of common chord given, distance between the centers. Right? Chalo, let's see, sir. Achha. Two circles, one is having a 10 centimeter. Common chord is 10, na? Ruko एक second. Common chord is 10. 5. This is common chord, sir. Right? This is common chord. Now, this is radius, this is radius. This is 13, this is 10. Now, this is 90 degree. Common chord is 10, meaning, sir, this much will be 5. Correct, everyone? So, they are asking distance between the centers. So, this is O and O prime. So, O and O prime, the distance they are asking. Chalo, very simple then. So, first things first. If this is 5, this is 12. So, this much will be very simply, we can say like 12. 5 and 13, so 12. So, it's a Pythagorean triplet. And what about this, sir? This will be hypotenuse we know, one side we know. So, this will be root over of 100 minus 5 square 25. Root over of 75. 5 root 3. So, this much is going to be 5 root 3. So, your answer 12 plus 5 root 3, option B, sir. Option number B, sir. 12 plus 5 root 3 is most definitely your correct answer. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? So again, chalo, option number, sorry, next question. Question number something, I don't know, 62. Acha, base area, height, volume of a hexagonal prism. Array. Given, you just need to put that into equation and figure out. Sir, volume of a prism, which is given as, volume is the last one, meaning 17 to 80. 17 to 8 is 12 cube, remember. So it will be better na, if we directly write it accordingly. So calculation will be a little easy to do. 12 into 12 into 12 and last में 0 meaning it's a 10. Again, is equal to area into height. Area of the base into height. Area of the base is by 2 into x square. Height is 15 root 3. Correct? So. 3 root 3 root 3, 3, 3, 3, 9. 9 meaning, sir, 9 meaning, sir, 4 here, 4 here. Okay. 3 4s are this, 3 5s are this. 5 2s are this. So x square is 4 4 4 and this 2 in this 2 meaning another 4. So 4 to the power 4. So x is 16, sir. 4 square. Acha, x is 6. X value only they are asking. Option D. Option D will most definitely be the answer. They are asking x. Again, it's not a very difficult calculation. They have just given you the information. They have asked you, ki bhai dekho, just put down the formula and calculate. So next one, please. At what proportion T word this much per packet should be mixed with T word this? Oh, sir, again, simple allegation. Sir, 0.75 rupees, 5.50 rupees. The final is 4.50. Chalo. This is 1 rupee and this is how much? 3.25 rupee, na? Sorry, 3.75 rupee. So sorry. So again, I'm getting rid of these 4, 15, sir. 4 is to 15 is the answer. Option number B, sir. Option number B must be your correct answer, sir. Option number B must be your correct answer. Again, every day, every week we have a question like this. Simple question. Simple question. Acha, ek second dekh lete. I'll need to zoom in. Semicircle radius given, AB diameter, point O lies on this. AO equal to OB. Acha, meaning both the whole the thing is symmetrical. Left, right area is same. Difference between the areas of the two sections. Okay, shaded regions and difference. Chalo, let's understand, sir. Let's see what we can do. Sir, first things first. First things first, sir. Sir, area of this semicircle, radius was 14. Correct? So, area of the semicircle will be half of pi r square, 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 2s, 2 2s. So, 28 and 11, 308, sir. Centimeter square. And area of this triangle, sir, this particular triangle. This is a 90-degree triangle, but again, we'll take this. This is your base. Base will be what? This is 14, this is 14. Diameter, so base is 28, and this will be 14, sir, because this is also radius. So again, I will take the area of this delta is half into base into height. Base is 28, height is 14, sir. So this is 14 square, 196, sir. So meaning, sir, area of these two shaded regions, this one and this one, sir, will be this one minus this. So it will be 308 minus 196. So 108 plus 4, 112 centimeter square. Now this region then will be, this region only will be half of that because these two are like symmetrical. So this will be 112 minus by 2, sir. That is 56 centimeter square. And this region, it will be half of this triangle itself. So this will be 196 by 2. So this will be 98 centimeter square. So difference between these two, they are asking 98 minus 56. So 42 centimeter squares. Option A, sir. Option number A is your correct answer. Everyone, anybody having any doubts? You see, the whole question we have just used symmetry to reduce our calculations. But again, this was a good question. But this year, now they have asked a lot of questions of this type. I hope this is clear. Moving on. Moving on, sir. Next one, please. Is not a rational number, meaning irrational number. So root 13 I have seen. Again, I'll not look at any other option even. Right? Chalo. Next question, please. Sir, some partnership it looks like. Mohit, Nikhil, Parth invested this. Remain for full year. Total profit. This. Sir, Nikhil receive how much? Again, simple because the time is constant. So the profit will get distributed in this ratio only. So 3 zeros gone, 3 zeros gone, 3 zeros gone. 7 se divisible. 7, 15s are this. 721 sir, this 3 से भी जाएगा sir, 3 4s, 3 5s, 3 7s. Nikhil, अच्छा 5 multiple, again I cannot use the multiple concept because everything is a 5 multiple. So you can do this. Nikhil will get 5 parts out of 5 plus 4, that is 9 plus 7, that is 18 parts of 84 800 sir, right? 84 800, चलो ठीक है. अच्छा 424 009 5 9 sir, sorry 4 9 से 30, ये नहीं जा रहा है क्या? I've done some mistake. ये रुको, I must have made some error somewhere. 5 4, अरे 9 plus 7 I have written 18. मेरे को तो मर ही जाना चाहिए. So sorry everyone. Sir 5 16s are 80, 3 16s are this. 26 500. Sir, option C is the answer. So sorry everyone. Yes, 26 500 is your correct answer. Done and dusted. Moving on, sir. Sir, next one. A principal P is invested in 2 different schemes for 3 years. Both. Acha. M offers 20% simple interest, so 3 years 60%. N offers 20% compound interest. Acha. Compound interest meaning it will give you, again you can, like 2 years it will be 44%. Another 20%, use AB theorem. So 64 plus 44 into 44 into 20, or 88 by 10 sir, 8.8, that is 72.8%. So this is the compound interest. So difference will be how much sir? Difference will be sir 12.8%, that is equal to 640, right? Or other, so you see this is 5 times 1% is 50. So 100% will be the principal, 50 and couple of zeros, 5,000 rupees, option D. But again, many people do it in another way, using the formula. I'll also say, if the values are not this good, 20% is not there. If it is even 15%, calculating these 3 years will might be a little difficult for many of you. So use this formula in that case. So CI minus SI for 3 years, it becomes PR square by 10,000, R plus 300 by 100. Sir. But again, it can only be used because both interest rates are the same. If it was not, then you cannot use it. So you can just put the values. Here it is 640. So, P is given. P I need to find. R square is 20 square. And this is 20 plus this is 320 by 100. So again, you see this is 2. So 100 and this is 4. 422. This is directly giving you 5,000. So the calculation became much too easy over here, sir. Okay, calculation became much easier over here using, but again in that case you need to remember the formula, and I strongly recommend you do. There are a couple of formulas only which I recommend you remember. This is one of them, because if the value is not that great, you will get in trouble in any other method because of calculation. Clear everyone? Next one please. Next one please sir. Trigonometry. चलो देखते हैं sir. Sec theta. अच्छा, I'm having this feeling that I have to cancel because of sec, cosec, everything is there. So I'm first line itself, I'm kind of converting everything to sine cos. Sec meaning 1 by cos. Here this is cot pi by 2 minus theta meaning tan theta. And tan theta meaning sir sine by cos. Sine theta by cos theta. Into Sine square this meaning sir cos square theta. This is this, right? Cos cancels, sine 1 by sine cancels, so my answer will be cos square theta. Sir, option number D. Option number D itself. You see, again you need to anticipate. You need to anticipate. Again, more you practice, these things you develop. Clear everyone? Next one please. Work of 7,500 was assigned to two workers A and B who can complete in these many days. Okay. Okay, alternative concept. Chalo. So efficiency of A is to B. So number of days opposite of this is 1:3 time ratio. So efficiency ratio will be 3:1. So I'm assuming A can do 3 units, B can do 1 unit. And total work will be how much? So 75 into 1, so 75 units I'm taking. Correct? Now, who starts? Again, A will start eventually. So A, B, A, B, A, B, and so on. Take packets as I've told you always. So every packet, how much work is getting done? A is doing 3 units, B is doing 1, meaning sir 4 units of work is getting done. So I'll take 18 such packets because I need to get to just below 75. So that will be equal to 18 fours are 72 units of work is done. So that means 3 units are remaining. 3 units are remaining. Who will do those 3 units? Any packet ends. Next day, A comes to work, sir. So next day, A will come to work and those 3 units will be done in 1 day by A, sir. So meaning, sir, out of this whole situation, please understand who has worked for how many units. How many days, sir? Both A and B for 8, I have taken 18 packets, meaning A has worked for 18 days, B has worked for 18 days, because every packet, each of them are working for 1 day each. But last day, A has worked extra, meaning A has worked for actually 19 days and B has worked for 18 days. Now, again, in these situations, their efficiency is not same. So this is the number of days they have worked. The wage gets distributed according to the work done. Who has worked how much? So every day A does 3 units. So A will do this much. B does 1 unit. So the ratio will be 57:18, sir. 3 6, 3 19s. Now, meaning, sir, total 7,500. You can say A will get 19 out of 25 into 7,500. This is 300, sir. This is 5,700. Option C. Now again, please understand. Can we solve this question a little easier? Yes, sir. There are a couple of ways. Like one way actually, the most important. Sir, once you got this 19 days, na sir, I can say whatever it is, it will be 19 into number of days into work into something. So my answer will always be a 19 multiple for like the wage of A. Check for that. 1800, not a 19 multiple, not a 19 multiple, not a 19 multiple. This one is. You can use that as well. So you can just reduce the last bit of calculation which I've done in black. Clear everyone? Clear, sir? Moving on. Moving on, sir. Next one, please. Let's see what they're saying. Bronze is an alloy. 37 aluminum, this much tin, rest copper. Array, sir, copper 15 kg into. Sir, how much copper? This is 48%. So meaning 52% copper. 50% meaning 7.5, just greater than 7.5. Sir, 7.8 is there in the option. I don't need to calculate. You see, 50% of 15 means half of 15 is 7.5, just greater than that. Done and dusted, sir. I won't calculate. Sir, next one, please. What is the central angle of the sector? Radius 12, area is this. So the values are given in degrees. So I'll use the degree formula. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Don't put the pi value because you see the area also contains pi. So pi will cancel. This is 30, sir. 6 2s, 6 5s. 16. 16 5s are 80, sir. Theta is 80 degrees, sir, option A. Theta is 80 degrees, sir, option number A. Just see this, very simple. Done? Chalo, 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 chalo. Next one, please. The weight of an aluminum cone is 7 by 9 times of the weight of an iron cone. Okay. Weight of 1 gram of aluminum is this much times of the weight. Acha, this is density given, sir. Okay. 1 gram of aluminum meaning density. Weight per gram is density. Okay. Sir, density of aluminum, density of iron. Aluminum is less, greater. Okay. So this is 9:7 they have given you. Okay. Acha. Weight of the cone. Acha, weight will be what? Sir, weight is equal to volume into density, sir. Correct? So again, weight of the cone, aluminum cone, weight of aluminum cone by weight of iron cone, they have given you 7 by 9 ratio. And heights of both the cones are equal. So height is also equal. Okay, then you just put the value. So whenever you are putting weight of this, weight meaning, sir, volume into density. So density will be 9 by 7 as I know. Volume formula, sir, both are cone. So 1/3 pi r square h, 1/3 pi, 1/3 pi will be cancelled. So r square h, r of aluminum square, r of iron square. H is the common, sir. H is equal. This will cancel. This has been given to you as 7 by 9. Sir, again, RA by RI will be, you see, this will also become 7 square by 9 square. So this will become 7 by 9. They are asking radius ratios of 7 by 9, sir. Option A. Option A, 7:9 is most definitely your correct answer. Again, this was a good question. Again, a little bit of physics. Little bit of physics. Sir, next question. What is the smallest positive integer? Sir, 0.2 meaning you have to multiply by 5. है क्या? ये देखो option D. 0.2 into 5 gives you a 0. Right? Because if you want to get rid of this decimal sign, you need a 0 at least. At least 1 0 at the end. Sir, again, it was a 10 seconder. Right circular ice cream cone contains this much of ice cream. Sir, volume is given. Radius is given, height. 1/3 pi r square each. 28 by 10, 28 by 10 r square into h. 147.84 by 100, sir. 00000000. 7 4s at this. Calculation करना ही पड़ेगा बाप रे. 4 3s are 12. 27. अच्छा 4 3s are 12. 27. 4 6 are 24. 38. 4 9s are 36. 24. 4 6 at this. Sir, 11 से पहले कर लो. 11 3s are 33. 39. 6 6. 2. 183, sir. 7 4s at this. Sir, I'm not getting something which is 3. Sir, I've done some mistake. 11 multiplication division में sir I've done error. 11 3s are 33. 39. 336. So sorry, sir. So sorry. And I'm now clueless which I've cancelled. Which one I had cancelled, sir? 11 I had cancelled. This 4 I had cancelled, right? 1 4 I had cancelled. This 2 is remaining. 2. Okay, sorry. 336. 2 से sir 8 16 2s are 32 18. Cancel this 4. Sir कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया sir. Because I've done some error, I have to do it again. I have to do it again. I've made some error. I have made some error. So sorry. 28 into 28 by 100 r square into h is, I don't know, I'll figure out. 14784 by 100, sir. Okay. This is given. Centimeter, yeah. Gone. 7 fours are this. Done, sir. 4. 4 threes are this. 4 threes are 12. 27. 4 6 are 24. 38. 4 nines are 36. 24. 4 6 are this. 3 6 9 6 are 11. 2s are this. 11 threes are 33. 11 threes are 33. 11 6 are this. So 2. 2 6 are 16. 2s are 32. 18. 7 fours are this. 7 twos are 14. 7 fours are this. So 6. Now it makes sense. H is 3 6 are 18. I told you ना कुछ मैंने गलत कर दिया calculation में. That is 18, sir. That is 18. Option D. Option D 18 is the answer. Done, 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 done. Next one, please. Last question. Sir, maximum value of the sum of the series. Oh, till positive. Sir, it is reducing by 7. This is D, sir. So again, a very simple thing you will see. 50. And if you are reducing it by 7, so the next term will be 7 less, meaning 43. So it will be 7 less, then 14 less, then 21 less, and such. So positive if I need to make, so maximum I can subtract is multiple of 7, 49. So maximum last term will be 50 minus 49, which is 1, sir. So maximum sum will be, sir, I don't know how many terms, n by 2. N by 2 into, sir, first term into last term. Again, all the sum are positive, sir. Sorry, or integers. Check for the multiple concept. It has to be, your answer must be a multiple of 79. Check which one is multiple. So 80 se less, 480, sir, this is multiple. You see, 6 8s are 48, meaning 480. 480 minus 6, that is 474. Option D will be your answer. Again, this is a good way. Now, again, there are conventional methods you can use. But again, that concludes the whole class. Done and dusted, sir. Right? So, with that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining me. Again, the 3D mensuration, the part 3 class is live in the video section. Just a quick reminder, if you guys want to check it out, please check it out. I'll come back with another part this week only. So with that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining me. I hope this was helpful. Again, when you solve, please try to implement what you are learning from these sessions. Thank you, take care, and I will again see you guys in the next class. Thank you so much.